Attunement is a way of sending life energy through your hands and helping another person cleanse and nourish their body. It's also a way of living and thinking, and during a class, we intertwine the two of them. So first, what we do is we learn the energy ball and get used to sending energy from our hands. And then we learn how to direct it into different parts of the body of another person and also of ourselves. And then the energy field starts to clear and starts to flow. And that brings us into the state of attunement. During a class, you give and receive sessions from other students, two per day, and this helps your body to not only to clear itself, but also how to learn how to send this energy. Our body needs to get used to sending. So during the class, we're experiencing that, and I have 6 different levels of classes. The first level works with the nervous system and the endocrine system. The second level works with the digestive system. The third level works with the heart, emotionally, physically, spiritually. The fourth level works with the head, and I'm about to do one in Switzerland coming up, and working with the head, a little bit with the neck, and helping the head come into balance. And the 5th level works with the structure of the body, the immune system, and the 6th level works with nature. And you're welcome to look on my website and to find more information. Attunement classes are an opportunity to really bring yourself into attunement and learn how to help other people attune. So thank you for listening, and I am with you in the light.